guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited when my favorite seasonal subscription box shows up. That is Oceanista for winter. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the winter Oceanista box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Again, this is my favorite all-time, hands down, seasonal subscription box, and that's not changing. I even love the box down to like just the artwork, the colors, just everything about this box, the stuff inside, to the owner. I just absolutely am in love with this box. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the winter box is going to bring us. I'm always so excited because with the different changes in season, the items inside change with the season. So in the summer, you could have like a really neat like wrap, but in the winter, you might have something that would definitely keep you warmer. So again, they go with the seasons and everything inside reflects that particular season. So let's see, let's go ahead and cut the tape. The Oceanista, a woman who embodies the very essence of the ocean. Again, I love this box. When you open it up, oh, there goes the brochure, and that is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So this time it says curated with love by the Oceanista family, and it has like a coral reef image on it. Super, super cute. I love their stickers. Again, the artwork, the stickers, everything. When you cut that tape to get a sneak peek to inside of the presentation, that's what it looks like right there. So here will be the brochure. Ooh, it looks like they've changed things up a little bit with the brochure, but it is very, very colorful. I love it. So now, ooh, I see what it's going to be for the winter box. I can see the little images here. Okay, so without spoiling anything else, let's just go ahead and go with the top thing that I am seeing right on top. Looks like some kind of like fuzzy slippers. Ooh, with a nice bottom. Like you could even wear these outside, I guess, if you wanted to, because it does have that nice bottom. Let me remove the plastic. Okay, so with the plastic removed, this is what it looks like. I'm not quite sure what size these are, if they're like one size or not. It just says Willow Collective, 50% polyester, 50% PVC, and it doesn't say an actual size. Ooh, there's a little yellow spot on there. It doesn't say an actual size, and I know this is not my big foot size, but it does look like this. Like there's two things here that would go on it. I'm not gonna try to shove my big old foot in here, that's for sure. But that is what it looks like, again, for both of them. So for this one, it says Willow Collective Fuzzy Slippers. Fluff yeah! Fluff yeah! Reset tired feet and step into a whole new level of comfort with these ultra plush fuzzy slippers. So soft, it's like walking on a cloud. They're so cozy, you'll want to stay in your PJs all day. It's probably time we made slippers an acceptable form of footwear at the office because you'll never want to take these off. They retail value for $30. That is what they look like on the bottom. And that's what it looks like on the top. Maybe one of his sisters or his mom, I'll see if they fit them, whoever wants to take them. So they will definitely go to use, that's for sure. Now let's go with what is in this box. Something that we don't know what's in here, but it seems pretty heavy. It's getting kind of heavy. Ooh, it feels like it's going to be a candle, and I really, really hope it's one of their own candles again. Oceanista, it's going to be. That is adorable with this bag, though. This you can reuse for anything afterwards as well. Let's see. I'm assuming this is a candle. I'm assuming. I don't smell anything just yet, and it is. It says Beach Bonfire, Oceanista. It's notes of bergamot, lily of the valley, and driftwood. Handcrafted in Southern California. It is an 8-ounce, but it is just really, really sleek looking. I like this container that it's in. And then you just have the top, and of course there are some shells inside. but that is super pretty. Oh, that smells phenomenal. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. You are going to be burning in my house in just a moment. This right here, again, is by Oceanista. It's Beach Bonfire Candle. Envision sitting by a crackling campfire on the beach at dusk. A dark and cloudy sky overlooks the crashing, salty ocean waves. This candle perfectly captures the essence of that cozy and comforting night. Top notes, bergamot, lemon peel, and orange zest. Mid notes, thyme, lily of the valley, lavender, and white pepper. Bottom notes is driftwood, amber, and oak moss. I'm glad that lavender is in the middle because I do not smell it. It smells phenomenal. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This retails for $36. It says thicker crackling wood wick. It's a cocoa apricot soy wax, vegan, cruelty-free, non-toxic, gluten-free, 44-hour burn time, garnished with shells, placed in our reusable canvas pouches, and it comes with a lid. And then you have this reusable bag that you can use as well. Again, that retails for $36. I'm so excited that they made another candle because last box, they were amazing. They had I think they were the little tea lights, and then the box before was the first time that they came out with them, and I was super impressed. They're just doing the damn thing, you guys. They're doing amazing. I love it. That smells phenomenal. Okay, so we have another little pouch here that we will see what's inside. It says, "To the Stars, Wanderlust Co." is on the front of it. We normally get some type of a jewelry item with each season, so that is what this is. Let me remove the plastic. So on the back of the card, it says nickel free, 14 to 18 karat gold rhodium plated and e-coated. So the chain, I guess, would be coated. It has like this little, it's kind of like a little diamond at the end of this. It looks super cute. There you go. You can kind of see it right there. You do have the adjustable chain, and then what is on here? It's like a, is it like a mother of pearl, or that is super pretty though. Let me find this one. It is mother of pearl. I was right. A beautiful mother of pearl inlaid in sterling silver necklace by Wanderlust. Okay, so it's a sterling silver necklace. So I'm not quite sure then what is rhodium, gold rhodium plated and e-coated. So maybe it's sterling silver with the gold rhodium plated over it. I'm not quite sure, but that is super pretty. This was exclusively made for Oceanista, so you can only get it in this box. That is amazing. We love the classic and minimalist look, and we think you will too. Crafted with genuine mother of pearl, perfect for an evening out or everyday wear. With 925 sterling silver chain dipped in rhodium to reduce tarnishing. So it is a sterling silver, but it's dipped in the rhodium, that's the chain. So that is correct, it's both. And it says it includes the gift pouch, which is right here, that you can reuse or you can keep it inside of it. But that is just so pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. And this is valued at $49. And I absolutely love that it's just for Oceanista members. That is so cool. So you have that guy. Let's keep on going. We have something else in a little pouch. Oh, this is, I think, okay, yes, this goes to the candle. I remember these matches because I got them with their first candle, and I love the little container. So it has their little logo, and then it's a full thing of matches. Strike right there. So they even give you matches with your candle. So there's that. And then in here, which you can use this bag for anything, there's a thank you card and says hand poured coconut apricot candles by the Oceanista family. You can use promo code CANDLELOVE for 15% off of all of their candles on their website. So if you want to check out their amazing candles for yourself, or gift ideas. I know Valentine's Day is coming up. Mother's Day will be following right after. So gift ideas, you can purchase individual items from their shop. You don't have to have a subscription. They have tons of items, even stuff from past boxes that you can check out, and their amazing candles. And if you do their candles, use their code CANDLELOVE for 15% off. That is amazing. So there is candle instructions on the other side. So that is what came with the matches with the candle. Okay, so now we have is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. This is Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel Morning Dew. I like this brand. I've received a few different things, like I had a toner and there was another product that I used, but I don't recall getting a facial cleanser yet. So I'm super excited. This here is the Truffle Therapy Morning Dew Botanical Cleansing Gel. Start your day off the bright way. Truffle Therapy Morning Dew is a gentle botanical gel cleanser formulated with 0% sulfates to thoroughly cleanse the skin, uplift and brighten the complexion, and protect from environmental damage. Ideal for dry and normal skin types, this gel dew is packed with extracts that are gentle on the skin and kind to the environment. Suitable for sensitive skin types, made in Italy, and this is a $25 value. Again, I'm super excited to try out the cleanser. I've loved the toner, and there was another product that I got. I don't know if it was like a body oil, but I definitely really enjoyed the toner. So I'm super excited to try out a cleanser. Again, that's valued for $25. Okay, now I see something here. It's like a little artwork. It's super pretty. It looks like waves. What are you? Well, let's see. It says Kate Shore Fine Arts. Oh, it looks like it might be greeting cards. Let's see. Yes. So it looks like it is a set of 3. You have 3 envelopes right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then you have 3 different designs. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So you have this one right here. Oops, sorry, it goes this way. And the inside is completely blank, so you can write your own message. This one goes this way. Look at how beautiful. That is all blank. And then this one right here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I really like that it's not like a specific occasion. So it's not like wintry or anything like that, but it has the beautiful ocean print on it. So you can use it for anything. I'm thinking maybe just to drop a line like to my mom to send it to her every now and then, just so she has something, knowing that I'm thinking of her, which I do all the time. But so then she would know, and she loves the ocean as well. That's my reason why I love the ocean, is going there as a child with her. So I think that's really, really neat that now I have a 3-pack of note cards that are all coastal themed that I can send to her or to anybody or use for whatever I would like. So I like that. And this set of 3 retail values for $15. So 3 cards, 3 envelopes. Where did I put the envelopes? In my hand still? Yep. There, my hand. 3 cards, 3 envelopes valued for $15. Now, the last item in here, you guys, I'm actually super excited about. They now are making their own stuff in-house, like more and more. Not like they haven't been doing that this whole time, because they've already been doing like shirts and clothing items before, bags and all kinds of stuff. But now they're coming out with something new, and this is their hoodie. Let me remove the plastic. I'm so excited. I don't get excited for hoodies much, but I'm really excited because this is a beautiful color and the print on it is so cute. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It's like a whale, but it has all those beautiful images. There's like flowers and stuff in there with those beautiful colors. And it just says Oceanista right on top. That is gorgeous. And I love that color, you guys. That is so, oh, it's so nice and soft too. That's so soft. This here retails for $54. It's hand printed by the Oceanista family. It's 60% cotton, 40% polyester, machine wash cold, tumble dry. It's available in sizes extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and 2X. Do not iron the design. Good tip. You want to protect that. So this is a soft winter comfort. We are proud to introduce Oceanista's first hoodie design Again, they've had shirts before, but this is their first hoodie. Oh my gosh. It is soft, lightweight, and it'll help keep you warm during the cooler months of the year. We hope you love it as much as we loved curating it. Oh my gosh, I love that. Again, I love all the little details and like the flowers in there. So pretty. So that is everything that came in this winter seasonal box by Oceanista. You have their first hoodie, which is a beautiful color. Super soft. It doesn't feel too thick, which I like because I'm normally not cold. So I like that it is a thick sweater. You have a cleanser. You have an amazing smelling candle with the matches. You have a 3-piece card set that you can use for anything. You have this really beautiful mother of pearl necklace. And then you have these cute slippers. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything that came in the winter Oceanista box. Oh my gosh, I think this was another amazing box. They always knock it out of the park every single season. There's only 4 of them per year, and I look forward to those 4 days out of the entire year every single year. Those 4 little days I look forward to because I absolutely love this box. I love what it represents. Again, I love everything about it. So there's that. If you want a little bit more information about Oceanista, I will let you know right about now. Again, they do have their own online shop where you can purchase individual items without going to a subscription. But if you do want to hop onto the subscription box, you can use my code Crafty to get you $20 off your very first box. They also donate, which I absolutely love. They donate to help clean the oceans and fight human trafficking. I absolutely love when boxes donate and give back because when you're shopping through them and we all are helping to donate to those amazing causes. So I absolutely love that. So if you want to go season per season, auto renews, you can skip, pause, or cancel at any given time. You can save money if you want to go to an annual plan just to prepay for the annual plan. But again, it is a seasonal box, so there's only 4 of them per year. And you can purchase individual items from their shop. Like I said, you do not have to have a subscription, but every box includes $200 or more of 6 to 8 beach boutique products that you can use on land or sea. Most of our items are exclusive to Oceanista, or they are actually Oceanista's products, and we curate your box in themes with the ocean lover, vacationer, and beach home decorator in mind. It is literally a beach shop sent directly to your home 4 times a year. I absolutely love the things that they put in, the things that they find, and now the things that they are making. And again, you can purchase them on their website as well. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about the winter box? What was your favorite item in here? Mine is going to be a toss-up between the candle and the sweatshirt. Yes, I said the sweatshirt because I love the color and I love the design. So I love the sweatshirt, and the candle smells phenomenal. But that is what I think. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.